This is the Messina registration page. It is on Eventbrite. So if you go on Eventbrite and you search Messina or even Siva Afi, then this should come up. We're going to have it in, it's got your location, things that are good to know, our refund policy, about this event. So it's going to start on the 18th of October. All classes will begin at 9 a.m. So it says, can I make a payment plan? Yes, you can. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you check the availability on the 18th, click that, continue. And then you're going to do that. So if you purchase before the sale ends, then you can get $10 off for the term. So instead of $80, you're paying $70. So we're going to check out. And when we check out, it'll take you to the different payment options. So you can pay with PayPal, and then it'll take you through to PayPal and you will choose the option to pay by 4. Let me put Joe Doe Jodo at gmail.com. Jodo at gmail.com. And let me see if this is gonna work. See, down the bottom, it's got pay in 4, and that's the one that you're going to want to choose. I'm hoping that it doesn't automatically put my PayPal. Yep. So you pay in 4 with PayPal, enter your thingies, your information, and then press pay. And then you have the option. That is how you can pay for Siva Afi Term 4 in a payment plan.